A very good morning to all the students of class 8. Today we are going to study social science and chapter 5 natural disaster, and this is part 1. Natural disaster. What is natural disaster? A natural disaster is a major bad event that is caused by the natural processes of the earth, and it consists of flood, tornadoes, volcanic eruption, earthquake, tsunami, and other geologic processes is the natural disaster. And see, there are two types of natural disaster. The disaster that occurs due to change in the interior of the earth, that is earthquake, tsunami, volcano, that occurs in the interior of the earth. And whereas the disasters that occur due to the change on the surface of the earth, which is on the surface of the earth, they are like flood, cyclones, forest fire, drought, etc., that occurs due to the change on the surface of the earth. Now, first we'll read about the earthquake. What is the earthquake? See, the weak upper crust of the earth that suddenly experience tremor. They experience tremor either due to the collision of this plate, when there is a collisions of plate, or due to the tremendous pressure in the interior of the earth. See, these waves and the tremor of the earth, they originate from where? From the hypocenter, which is in the deep down below the surface of the earth. And this sudden shaking or trembling, that is known as earthquake. And the earthquake waves are created from where? From the epicenter during the process of an earthquake. And this earthquake occurs due to the internal disturbance in the earth. See, this is a picture of the disturbance on the surface due to the earth. And this is a sign of destruction due to earthquake. See, in this, the waves of the earthquake spread outward from the epicenter. When the waves of the earthquake, they spread outwards from the epicenter, this point on the surface of the earth exactly above the hypocenter or focus is known as the epicenter. And the intensity of the earthquake, which is the intensity is felt the maximum around the epicenter, and the intensity of the earthquake decreases as we move away from the epicenter. And the effect of an earthquake depends on this intensity of the earthquake. See, we can measure this intensity of the earthquake and come to know its point of origin, that is hypocenter, with the help of an seismograph. Yes, we have, what is seismograph? Seismograph is used to find the epicenter and measure the intensity of an earthquake. See, there are three main reasons for the occurrence of earthquake, and which are they? Earthquake caused by volcanic eruption. See, first is the caused by an volcanic eruption. See, other one is the earthquake caused by strike slip fault. See, what is the meaning of strike slip fault? Is a fault in which rock strata are they are displaced mainly in a horizontal direction, and they are parallel to the line of fault, that is strike slip fault. And the third is earthquake caused by subduction in an active subduction zone. See, subduction zone is what? A subduction zone is the biggest crust seen on the earth, and this boundaries mark the collision between two of the planets, the tectonic plates, and the plates are the pieces of crust that slowly move across the planet's surface over millions of years. That is subduction zone. And the center of the earth is approximately 6371 kilometers for forms earth's surface. Hope you all have understood till here. In the next part we'll see the other. Thank you.